If you're looking for small business digital marketing tips, then you're certainly in the right place. I have two wonderful, completely free resources, which I'll tell you about in a second. So, who is this video for? Firstly, anyone who's got an established business that could be online or offline, and they're looking to get more customers from the internet. Or, secondly, anyone who's still in the startup or planning phase of their business will benefit from these two tools as well. So, hi, folks. My name is Gourlay. So let's crack on and talk about these two tools. Firstly, we have a digital marketing self-assessment. So this is something that is completely bespoke for your business. So based on the answers that you put into it, at the end, it'll generate a report for you, giving you tips, ideas, probably the best places for you to be advertising your business, etc. So that is the first thing. It comes in two different formats. So we have US dollars and British pounds. So that's what we've got at the moment. So that's the first thing. On the results page, you can then register for a free copy of a sales funnel planning software. So what this does is it will calculate exactly how much money you are potentially leaving on the table. So, for example, let's say just by making some changes, so either, for example, sending more traffic to your website, or do something simple like raising your prices, etc. This planning software, will calculate how much additional revenue you could potentially be making. So that's great for people who are still in planning. Um, that is completely free. You don't have to pay at all for it. There's no upsells. You can put your credit card away in both cases. So if you do like these two tools, then please like and share and all that good stuff. I do have a lot of other good stuff that I'll be sharing over the next couple of weeks. So if you do continue to enjoy and want further, not just digital marketing, but business tips in general, then certainly follow me down below. Yeah, thanks for watching, folks. I will be putting a link to a video where I've explained digital marketing in under 10 minutes. So if you are new to this, then it just gives you an idea of how all these pieces fit together. So thanks for watching, guys, and all the best. See you on the next one.